Check of our forecast, exactly what you want to hear after the last few days that you've had traipsing around on some beautiful beaches.
I hope I can bring the warmer weather, but that doesn't really look like the case.
Eventually, maybe it's your return that's bringing that warm up next week.
Okay,
we can
glass half full over here with
we just have to get what
over the
past the next 2 days.
Yeah, we have to get through the next few days. Snow, rain, mix. And then it warms up.
All right.
It looks gorgeous.
Take it away, Sid.
Gorgeous conditions by the time we go into next week. That's what we need to look forward to as we absorb this forecast here. Because, yes, the system's very strong. The severe weather risk is still around for Kentucky. By the time it makes it to us, though, we're not anticipating any type of severe weather in the forecast here. It's just going to come in the form of rain, wintry mix, and snow. Also, very gusty winds are going to be coming along with this system as well. So right now, we're getting a little appetizer as this brings a little round of rain in this evening. It's light rain, not expecting heavy stuff, but your commute could be a bit wet. Right now, it is moving into Worcester and Leominster. Right, that outer edge, that blue color is just some very, very light sprinkles. But once you get into those green colors a little bit further to the west, that's when it's going to be coming down as light rain out there. 100% rain chance for Wednesday and Thursday, keeping with clouds into most of Friday, maybe breaking apart those clouds a little bit into Friday. And then once we get into Saturday, a 40% chance of rain still remains in the forecast. But it's the second half of the weekend into next week when we get that pattern change. It's really going to start feeling like spring once we get into next week. So let's get through this winter, this burst of winter that's going to be coming our way tomorrow, along with those gusty winds. By the time tomorrow morning rolls around, mostly rain. Worcester County, the Worcester Hills could be getting in on a bit of a mix for the morning, something you'll want to keep an eye on for that commute. 1 o'clock on Wednesday, seeing those patchy showers around, but some heavier rain is going to be trying to work its way into the picture. And the rain snow line at this point, Wednesday at 5 o'clock, is basically right along the Massachusetts and New Hampshire state line. Snow is going to be coming down still in New Hampshire at that time, but then things cool off a bit, and that's when that snow line dips a bit to the south. We're at 8 o'clock on Thursday morning, so it's really going to be the Thursday morning commute that you do have to keep the biggest watch on. But tomorrow morning, if you're along higher terrain or in parts of Worcester County, you could see a brief mix. So we're at 8 o'clock now, snow coming down in spots, and it's likely accumulating at this point. And by the afternoon and the evening, we're going to clear things out. So talking those snow totals, 5 to 8 inches. That's going to be the highest that any points in our area sees. And that's going to be areas like Milford, 3 to 5 for Nashua and Hollis. And then the further south and the further east that you get, 1 to 3. And that includes Lawrence and the Merrimack Valley, and continuing off to the south, areas like Bolton getting in on that 1 to 3 as well. Once you're in that 1 to 3 zone or up to 1 zone, you're going to have a lot of mixing, and those snowflakes are going to be very heavy and very wet. So we're going to have to keep an eye on those commute times. Moderate for Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night. By Thursday morning, that's going to be the worst impacts on the roadways that you'll have to keep an eye out for. And then by Thursday afternoon, things will start to improve. Talking about improving, temperatures are definitely improving. We're below normal for the next 4-5 afternoons. Once we get into next week, though, look at that. Temperatures in the middle and upper 60s at times for much of next week. And it's coming just in time because as we start things off next week, that's the solar eclipse. We're looking dry and mainly cloud-free potentially. One of the best spots in the country to see this solar eclipse is going to be northern New England. Temperatures at 60 degrees, and we're keeping with that trend into Tuesday and into Wednesday. We're staying in the low and even middle 60s at times next week.
All right, Sydney, you have your glasses ready for the eclipse?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yes, we put them on, we tried them out, took a few pictures in them. They're ready.
All right.
All right.
Fingers crossed, by the way, that this is the last dealing of snow that we have to deal with.
I
know, Sydney.
We don't need that.
I'm wishing it out into the universe. Mother Nature, we have had enough.
Yes, we have. Agreed.
All right, Sydney, thank you.